Bitcoin dips below $66,000, Ether stays above $3,500. Hamster Combat Telegram game draws over 150 million players. Remilia hacker moves $4.3 million to Tornado Cash. Deutsche Telekom announces Bitcoin mining plans at BTC Prague. South Korea to delist 600 altcoins under new law. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower as market participants digested the latest US consumer price index data. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, traded near the $66,000 mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.2% at 83,900 points. According to data from Sentiment, ETH whales have purchased over 700,000 tokens in the last 3 weeks, amounting to a substantial $2.45 billion influx in the Ethereum market despite the current downturn. Interestingly, Bitcoin advocate and MicroStrategy chairman Michael Saylor has shared a bullish prediction of $8 million per coin based on the long-term value of the digital asset. He reiterates that despite recent poor performance, Bitcoin's future remains bright with the potential to replace the traditional monetary system. Whereas AllianceBernstein, a Nashville-based global asset management firm, predicts Bitcoin's value to reach $1 million by 2033, with a projected value of $500,000 by 2029 and a double in value over the next 4 years. The firm also highlights the role of Bitcoin ETFs in market growth, with estimates suggesting they could account for up to 15% of Bitcoin's total supply within the next decade. Well, amid ongoing selling pressure in the Ethereum market, prominent investors are seizing the opportunity to accumulate ETH in anticipation of the next bull market phase. Furthermore, Ethereum has reached an all-time high in composite transaction per second, marking a significant milestone in the network's scalability journey. On June 16, Ethereum scaling networks recorded 246.18 TPS, resulting in 21.2 million transactions in a single day. Zai, a new Layer 3 scaling solution for gaming applications, emerged as a pivotal player, speaking at 101.72 TPS. Meanwhile, the Joe Biden administration is set to participate in a Bitcoin and blockchain roundtable in Washington, D.C. in early July alongside key congressional officials of the United States. The move is seen as a response to former President Donald Trump's recent endorsement of the Bitcoin industry, including his acceptance of Bitcoin Lightning payments for campaign donations. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.41 trillion mark, decreasing 0.4% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 30% to $53 billion. Moreover, Bitcoin mining costs have increased after a recent halving, with the number of BTC mined every 10 minutes dropping to 3.125. Crypto analyst Ali Martinez stated that the average cost of mining Bitcoin is currently at $86,668. As BTC is currently at $66,245, the upcoming period for BTC miners could lead to losses. NotCoin saw a notable increase, rising more than 15% and surpassing $0.2. Despite a broader market decline, the token has increased by 4.73% during the last week. NotCoin is a token on the Ton blockchain and was airdropped to users of the popular Telegram-based Tap to Earn game. Going forward, Shiba Inu's development team has announced the upcoming blockchain version of their collectible card game Shiba Eternity. The mobile version allows players to participate in training activities and earn kibbles, preparing them for the more immersive play-to-earn opportunities in the blockchain version. US stock futures traded mixed as traders start a holiday shortened week. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average hovered near flatline. S&P 500 futures dropped 0.06%, while Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.04%. Bitcoin was trading at $66,100, down 0.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.3%, trading at $3,540. BNB was down by 0.3% to trade at $601. Cardano's 80 token was down by 1% to trade at $0.4. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $29, lower 3.5%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 1.3% to trade at $0.6. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2% at $0.13. Shiba Inu was trading down by 2.3%. However, Solana SOL was up 1.5% and was trading at $146. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.5, up by 2.5%. Polkadot was up by 0.7% to trade at $6.2.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. Telegram-based crypto gaming sensation Hamster Combat claimed on Friday that it now has a player base larger than the population of Russia, over 150 million players. That growth constitutes a 50% surge from just last week, when the game's developers said that they crossed the 100 million user mark. For some context, that would mean that almost 1 in 5 Telegram users have signed up for the game, which incentivizes players to grow a hamster's imaginary crypto exchange by dangling real crypto rewards. Those rewards will come in the form of an eventual token airdrop to players who have accumulated points within the game, which exists as a mini app within Telegram, the popular messaging app, and does not require any additional downloads. Last week, a Hamster Combat team member hinted that the airdrop is currently planned for July. The hacker responsible for the $4.3 million Remilia exploit in March has siphoned the stolen crypto asset through crypto mixer Tornado Cash. On June 17, blockchain analysis company Certic reported that more than 1,000 Ether worth about $4.3 million was deposited into Tornado Cash. According to Certic, the assets were traced back to multiple addresses linked to the Remilia hack on March 16. Remilia is a decentralized autonomous organization responsible for the Melody Maker NFT collection. The crypto assets were deposited to mixing platform about 3 months after the Remilia hack. T-Mobile Deutsche Telekom announced that it intends to start mining Bitcoin, expanding upon its ongoing crypto-based activities. Well, the telecommunication firm has been operating a Bitcoin node since 2023 and is currently running Bitcoin Lightning Network nodes. The firm has been actively involved in Web3 as a Polygon validator since June 2023, establishing its position to leverage its extensive infra and secure new revenue streams. South Korean financial authorities may delist about 600 altcoins this year under the new Virtual Asset User Protection Act starting next month. This move comes in response to the forthcoming Virtual Asset User Protection Act, which takes effect on July 19 and aims to enhance regulatory compliance within the cryptosphere. This plan outlines rigorous criteria that cryptocurrencies must meet to remain listed on domestic exchanges. Unlike the current system, where exchanges conduct their own reviews, the new approach involves authorities setting standards for all listed tokens. The focal point of these regulations lies in listing screens. Well, exchanges will now reassess their support for each virtual asset every 6 months, followed by subsequent reviews every 3 months. And assets are failing to meet the prescribed standards risk suspension of transaction support. And now let's go to Shubham Joshi to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Well, now let's move on to the buzzing coins of the day. First on the list, let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum has reached an all-time high in composite transactions per second, marking a significant milestone in the network's scalability journey. On June 16, Ethereum's scaling network recorded 246 TPS, resulting in 21.2 million transactions in a single day. Zai, a new Layer 3 scaling solution for gaming applications, emerged as a pivotal player, peaking at 101 TPS. Well, Base and Arbitrum also demonstrated impressive performance, registering 33 and 21 TPS respectively. However, the TVL within Zai and Proof of Play Apex remains modest at $1.38 million and $695,000 respectively. Leading scaling solutions Arbitrum 1 and Base boosted TVL of $18 billion and $7.6 billion, highlighting financial disparity among these platforms. Now let's talk about Solana. Blockchain tracking firm LookOnChain has identified 3 significant profit opportunities and how one Solana trader converted his 300 Solana holdings and made $1.3 million in less than 3 weeks. The first is the Solana-made Bear coin, which experienced a $1.3 million profit in less than 3 weeks, a gain of over 2,500%. The second example is cryptocurrency Whale, who profited significantly from their investment in Pendle, a utility token that allows creators to create and trade tokenized representations of future cryptocurrency yields. The third example is Mother, which saw 1000% return on investment within 8 days by purchasing Mother tokens. Now let's move on to Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's development team has announced the upcoming blockchain version of their collectible card game Shiba Eternity, while the mobile version allows players to participate in training activities and earn kibbles, preparing them for the more immersive play-to-earn opportunities in the blockchain version. Key features include trade tokens as a central reward system, both which have in-game applications, and Shiboshi NFTs integrated into the blockchain game. Players need to own or rent the corresponding NFT to play certain parts of the game, fostering a potential rental market within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. While the in-game economy will be enhanced with trade tokens replacing kibbles and creating a more engaging reward system. The blockchain version may also include features that led to the burning of SHIB tokens, potentially increasing their value due to scarcity. Now let's move on to Cardano. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson believes that the Cardano's potential to surpass Bitcoin lies in its flexibility, decentralization, and effective governance. He compares Cardano's adaptability to the rigidity of companies like BlackBerry, which failed to evolve and became obsolete. Hoskinson also argues that Bitcoin's value proposition is due to its size and success, and that it cannot survive within the broader crypto market. Cardano's focus in first principles thinking, Edinburgh measures, decentralization, and on-chain governance sets it apart from other digital currencies. Now, last on the list, let's talk about HTX. Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange HTX has appointed Hassan Sunny, the national football team goalkeeper, as its new CSO. Sunny, who gained national hero status in China for his performance in the 2026 FIFA World Cup Asian qualifiers, has been the goalkeeper for the Singapore national team since 2004 and has been associated with local club since 2023. The move comes as HTX's trading volumes have significantly increased, surpassing Coinbase's $2.4 billion in spot trading volume at the end of May. However, this news did not have significant impact on the HTX token.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3warstv.io or scan the QR code.